Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your security certifications with ISC 2 full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your security certifications with ISC 2, begin by identifying your current certifications. Review the available certifications offered by ISC 2 that align with your career goals and interests. Familiarize yourself with the prerequisites for the certification you wish to pursue. If needed, consider taking relevant training courses to strengthen your knowledge base. Next, access the official ISC 2 website to gather up-to-date information on the certification exam. Create an account on the ISC 2 portal if you haven't done so already. Review the exam outline provided on the website to understand the topics covered. Develop a study plan that allocates adequate time for each subject area. Utilize official study materials and resources, such as textbooks, online courses, and practice exams. Connect with study groups or professional networks to share insights and discuss exam topics. Schedule your exam date through the ISC 2 portal, ensuring you allow ample time to prepare. As your exam date approaches, consistently review your study materials and take practice exams. On the day of the exam, ensure you are well rested and arrive at the testing center with the required identification. After completing the exam, await your results, which will be provided through the ISC 2 portal. If successful, proceed to obtain your new certification and update your professional profile. If you do not pass, reflect on your experience and adjust your study strategies before attempting again. Stay informed about continuing education requirements to maintain your certification. Engage with the ISC 2 community for ongoing support and to enhance your professional development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.